let's solve a problem on work and friction. So a box of mass m is equal to 10 kg is projected up an inclined plane from its foot with a speed of 20 meters per second. So this is the block. So this is the block as shown in the figure. The coefficient of friction between the box and the plane is 0.5. Find the distance traveled by the box on the plane before it stops first time. So let's draw it. This is the inclined plane and the box is here. So let this be position 1 of the box where the velocity v1 is equal to 20 meters per second. And let this be position 2 of the box when it comes to rest, and let the velocity be v2 is equal to 0 as it comes to rest. Then we have the distance between the initial and the final position of the boxes, which we can consider as x. So let's draw the forces which is acting on the block. So the block is like this, inclined. So this is the normal force which is perpendicular to the surface. This is mg. So this will be mg cos theta. As you can see, this is the angle. So if this is 37, then this is 37. So this is mg cos theta, and over here this will be mg sin theta. Then we have friction. Friction is in this direction, so F as friction is nu into n. So over here F is equal to nu is 0.5, and as we know normal is into mg cos theta. So we have 0.5 into mass is 10, gravitational acceleration is 10, and cos theta, which is cos 37, is 4 upon 5. So we get this as 5 into 10 into, right, 10 into 4 upon 5 upon 10. So this we get it as 40 Newton. So the friction is 40 Newton. Now let's see. We have the formula, that is work done by all the forces is equal to the change in the kinetic energy. So work done by all the forces, we have two forces, that is the gravitational force and the frictional force. So the work done by gravity from position 1 to position 2 plus the work done by friction from position 1 to position 2, which is equal to the difference in kinetic energy, that is half mv square, that is final, minus half mv initial square. So what is the work done by gravity? As the block is moving along the inclined plane, we take the gravitational force to be mg sine theta, which is a component of mg. So mg sine theta, which theta is 37 degrees, is equal to mg, that is mass into gravitational force, which we can consider to be 10, into sine theta is 3 upon 5, which is 60. And as work done is force into displacement, the displacement is 60 into x, which is the displacement, force into displacement. So work done by gravity is 60x, and as this is in the opposite direction of the motion of the block, so we take it as minus 60x. Now the work done by friction. We know the force done by friction is 40 Newton and the displacement is x. So it is minus 40x, minus because again the friction is in the opposite direction of the motion of the block. The motion is upwards and the friction is in the opposite direction. So minus 40x is equal to half mv square final velocity. So the final velocity over here v2 is 0. So this is 0 minus half mv initial. So v into velocity, initial velocity is 20. So 20 square. So after substituting the values, that is of m, which is 10, we get minus 100x is equal to 0 minus 2000 which is equal to x is equal to 20 meters. So the distance traveled by the box on the plane before it stops first time is 20 meters. So this is 20 meters.